Day one of a new project. I'm going to show you around, just show you how we get set up, and then just give you a brief overview of the project we're doing. Let's go. Okay, so here's the driveway. We got our trailer parked in there. That'll stay here for the duration of the project. Got our tarp down in the garage. Keep all the water off the concrete as much as possible. Got a table. Show you we're coming in through the garage. Got our floor protection down. Everything taped down so we don't have trip hazards. And I'll show you down here. What are we doing? Bathroom and the basement here. So as I said, we got our floor protection down. The client actually made a hole through this wall, and the water is actually going down through the shower, coming all the way through here, came out under the stairs. So pretty crazy situation here. I'll show you more floor protection. We'll actually be putting a plastic wall around here, keep the dust to a minimum off his electronics. So here's the bathroom we're doing. Concrete slab. We're ripping out this floor, redoing the shower. So as you can see, here's the curb. Client said they took off the tile. I mean, it looks like it. They had a tile that's bonded directly to the 2x4 on the top of the curb here. So pretty crazy situation here. But yeah, I mean, there's no waterproof on the curb at all. Who knows if there's any on the pan? I doubt it. You can see that there's vertical cracks along this whole thing here. So we have some movement. That's why you always want to have somewhere for the tile to move. You want to have at least a 1/16. About 2 1/8, I would say. No more than that. Expansion joint in the corners because it doesn't look good. But you want to give it somewhere to move. You have to have somewhere for this assembly to move. So we're going to demo this sucker out. See what's going on here, but obviously there's no waterproofing, so we know that's the problem there. But we're going to rebuild this shower, flood it out, and make sure we got no leaks, and then re-tile this whole thing. I believe the client chose a 12 by 24 tile, and they got on the walls and the floor, and we're doing some pebbles. So that's where we're at here. So we're going to get started with the demo and go from there. Alright, so just wanted to show you that this shower is built actually out of hardy board here, if you can see it. It's like a cardboard type of material. I used to actually swear by this stuff, and it does work, but it's brittle. It's not waterproof. So, you know, the water's going right through these walls, right into under the stairwell here. So, no waterproof on the pan, but you know, we'll just show you that, you know, hardy board won't deteriorate when it's getting wet all the time, but it is not waterproof. So just keep that in mind. Alright folks, I got most of this shower demoed. They did a floating mortar bed over a slip sheet, which is fine even over a concrete slab as long as you're thick enough, which they looks like they are, about 1.5 to 2 inches. No problem there. One issue that I see is why the shower actually failed. I mean, they had someone come in, or they did themselves, I don't know, fiberglass liner here. So they had someone come here, paint this around the whole perimeter. It looks like on the curb here a little bit. And this stuff is peeling off. It completely failed. It's real thin. It's maybe not even a credit card thick. It's most waterproofing you get is about a thickness of a credit card, and that's gonna hold up. But it goes to show you that these fiberglass liners, they do not work. They do not hold the water. The client was complaining about the water going through this wall here and coming out the stairs on that side. Can you imagine that? That is insane. So everyone out there, do not, if you have a contractor that comes in and they want to do the fiberglass liner on there, you can show them this video and show them that, you know, this is proof that this if done improperly, I don't even know if it was done properly, that it's a good chance it's going to fail and you're going to have a flood going on. So there you go. I'm going to continue demoing this one, go from there. And that's the curb, all molded out. They literally, I mean literally, set the tile directly to the top of this 2x4. So pretty crazy.